Welcome everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're going to continue learning the sounds of the Arabic alphabet. Today I'm going to introduce different sounds. The first sound is so, 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 so. To get this sound in Arabic, we have this letter. The sound of this letter is so, so, so. It's not se, se. It is so, so, so. For example, let's see this word. This word in English, which is say. Let's substitute s by so. Okay, so I'm gonna put so and then I will complete the word in English. Here I say say. However, here say, say, s, su, s, su, so. The name of this letter is Saad. So. Okay, when I add this mark on the top, we have saw. Let's see the shapes of saw in the word. So saw in the beginning of the word, it is like this. Saw in the middle of the word is like this. Saw, and saw in the end of the word, and the saw in the end of the word is like this. Saw. Let's read together. Saw. Okay, we have saw in the end of the word. It can be like this as well. So we have two shapes of saw in the end of the word. This one when it is connected to the previous letter, and this one when it is separated. Saw. At the normal speed, saw. Okay, let's learn another letter. The following one, it has the same shape of the previous one of saw. So it's like this. It's the same. But we will add a dot here on the top. The sound of this letter is ba. It is a strong D. This word in English is day. Let's substitute D by b. Day, de, ba, day, ba, ba. Okay, let's add this mark on the top. Ba. The shape of ba in the beginning of the word. Ba in the middle of the word. Ba in the end of the word. So ba in the end of the word, it is almost the same one when it is out of the word, just we added this line here. Let's read together. Ba. Okay, now let's add one more shape of ba when it is in the end of the word. It can be like this as well, which is equal this one here. This one when it is connected to the previous letter, and this one when it is not connected. Ba. Let's learn another one. Ta. The sound of this letter does not exist in English as well. Let's see this word, train. Let's substitute T by ta. It is train. train, train, train. So po is a strong T. Po, te, po, te, po, te. Okay, let's add this mark on the top. Po, po. Po in the beginning of the word. Po. Po in the middle of the word. Po, po, po. Po in the end of the word. Po. And the po in the end of the word can be like this one here. This one when it is connected to the previous one, and this one when it is separated. Let's read. Po, 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 po. Okay, let's learn another one. The sound is vo, 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 vo. Don't worry, it's super easy. Vo, 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 vo. So, this word in English is the. You use your tongue, you touch, you know that to pronounce the in English, you have to touch your upper teeth with your tongue in order to pronounce it. The. Let's remove the TH and add this one and complete the word. So here we have the, vo. We must touch the upper teeth with the tongue as well, but vo is a strong the. Vo, the, vo, the, vo, the, vo, the, vo, 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 vo. Vo in the beginning of the word. Vo. Vo in the middle of the word. Vo, 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 vo. And vo in the end of the word. Vo, vo, vo. And in the end of the word, it can be like this too. Vo, like this one. This one when it's connected, and this one when it is separated. Vo, vo, vo. Vo, vo, vo. Vo, vo, vo. Vo, vo, vo. Okay? Let's learn another one. This is the last one. Ko, 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 ko. Ko, 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 ko. Ko, 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 ko. Ko, 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 ko. Let's see this word in English. Cat. Let's substitute the C by qa. Qat. Cat. Qa, qa, qat. K, qa, k, qa. So qa, it's a strong K or strong C when it's pronounced like K. Qa, k, qa, k, qa, k, qa, k, qa, k, qa, qa, k, k. Let's add fatha. We have here qa, qa, qa. Qa in the beginning of the word, it's like this. Qa, qa. Qa in the middle of the word, it is like this. Qa, 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 qa. And the qa in the end of the word is like this. Qa. So qa in the end of the word, it is the same one like this, just we add this line here. Qa, 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 qa. We have another shape of qa when it is in the end of the word. When it is separated, it's equal this one. Qa, 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 qa. Okay, let's review today the letters that we learned. So we have sa, so, 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 so. Sa. We have ba, 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 ba. So sa and ba, they have the same shape. Just we add one dot here. Ba, ba, sa, sa, ba, ba, sa, sa. We have pa, 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 pa. Pa, pa. We have va, 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 va. So the shape of va, it's the same like ta, just we add this dot here. And finally we have qa. Qa. So sa is a strong S, ba is a strong D, pa is a strong T, va is a strong TH in the word the, so it is va, and qa is a strong K. Let's play our game. Let's connect the letters together and see their shapes. Let's put ta in the beginning of the word. Ta. Ta. Let's connect it to sa. Let's read together. Ta, sa, ta, sa, ta, ta, sa, sa, ta, sa, ta, sa, ta, sa. Okay. And let's add qa in the end. Qa. Ta, sa, qa. Ta, sa, qa. Ta, sa, qa. Ta, sa, qa. Okay. Let's remember, I will add here just these letters for you to remember. So we have strong S. Let's add, we have strong D. So I'm going to add double D to remember. We have a strong T. I'm going to add double T. We have strong TH in the word the. So I'm going to add double from them here, as you see. And we have strong K. I will add double K here. So we have ta, sa, qa. Okay. Let's add va in the beginning of the word. Va. Let's connect it to qa. Let's add ba in the middle. So we have va, 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 qa, qa, dhaqa, 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 ba, ba, dhaqa, ba, vaqa, ba. Everything is strong, okay? Strong accent. Vaqa, ba, vaqa, ba, dhaqa, ba, dhaqa, ba. Okay, let's add sa in the end. Set it in black. Va, qa, ba, sa, sa. Va, qa, ba, sa. Va, qa, ba, sa. Dhaqa, da, sa. Dhaqa, da, sa. It's good to connect all the strong letters together. Like this, your mouth will get familiar to pronounce all of them at the same pitch and tone. Dhaqa, da. Dhaqa, da, sa. Dhaqa, da, sa. Okay? Let's connect all the letters together. Let's start with sa. Let's connect it to ba. Let's connect it to ta, but let's pronounce this first. Sa, ba, ta. Sa, ba, ta. Va. Sa, da, ta, va. And finally we have qa. Sa, ba, ta, va, qa. Sa, ba, ta, va, qa. Sa, ba, ta, va, qa. Okay, I know it sounds funny, but like this we're gonna learn. So now you have the letters. You can play this game. You can put this in the beginning. This is in the middle. Do whatever you want. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please let it in your comment. Thank you.